What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Barry Bites! We're doing hot sauce today, and I've got Barry's Original X Reaper Edition. Not this Barry, but the other Barry.
All right, here it is. This is Barry's Original X Reaper Edition. Shout out to my boys in Spice Fiends. I'm not as cool as you guys, and I don't have a skull spoon. I just have this ladle-like spoon. But we're going to make it happen today. Whoopsh. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, that smells like a Reaper. We're going to go fudge you. Well, I guess it is Barry Bites. Down the old hatch. Instant warm. That heat, whoo, there it is. That is not unbearable. It builds. Okay, that's really hiccups. That is really hot. Don't do that much of it. Whoo! I'm gonna feel that on the way out. Hiccups again. I can't wait till my head starts sweating. Yeah, that was a big ass spoonful of Reaper X pepper. That's not even the hottest one that I have to try. Oh God. Don't get old, people. You can't take hot sauce the way you used to. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day. Burn, baby, burn.